ओके, हाउ आर एम्पायर्स डिफरेंट फ्रॉम किंगडम्स? किस तरीके से एम्पायर डिफरेंट है किंगडम से? एम्पायर नीड मोर रिसोर्स देन किंग्स बिकॉज एम्पायर आर लार्जेस्ट देन किंगडम्स एंड नीड टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड बाय बिग आर्मीज. ओके, so also they need a largest number of officials who collect taxes. Ruling the empire, क्या रूल है एम्पायर के? एज द एम्पायर वॉज so largest, different parts were ruled differently. The area around Patliputra was under the direct control of the empire. This meant that officials were appointed to collect tax from farmers, herders, craft persons, and traders who lived in villages and towns in the area. Officials also punished those who disobeyed the ruler's orders. Many of these officials were given salaries. Messengers went to and fro, and spies kept a watch on the officials. And of course, the empire visited them all with the help of members of the royal family and senior ministers. There were other areas of provisions. Each of these was ruled from a provincial capital such as Taxila or Ujjain, although there was some amount of control from Patliputra, and royal princes were often sent as governors. Local customs and rulers were probably followed. Besides, there were vast areas between these centuries. Here the Mauryas tried to control roads and rivers, which were important for transport, and to collect whatever resources were available and taxed and tribute. For example, the Arthashastra tells us that the northwest was important for blankets and South India for its gold or precious stones. It is possible that these resources were collected as a tribute. Unlike taxes which were collected on a regular basis, a tribute was collected as and when it was possible from people who give a variety of things more or less willingly. There were also the forested regions. People living in this area were more or less independent, but may have been expected to provide elephants, timbers, honey, and wax to Mauryan officials. The empire and the capital. Megasthenes was an ambassador who was sent to the court of Chandragupta by the Greek rulers of West Asia named Shidkulus Nectars. Megasthenes wrote on account about what he saw. Here is a part of his descriptions. The oceans on which the empire appears in public are celebrated with grand royal precision. He is carried in a golden palanquin. His guard ride elephant decorated with gold and silver. Some of the guards carry trees on which live birds, including a flock of trained parrots, circle about the head of the empire. The king is normally surrounded by armed women. He is afraid that someone may try to kill him. He has some special servant to taste of the food before he eats. He never sleeps in the same bedroom for 2 nights. And about Patliputra, modern Patna, he wrote, "This is a large and beautiful city. It is surrounded by a massive wall. It has 517 towers and 64 gates. The houses of 2 and 3 stories are built of wood and mud brick, and the king's palace is also wood and decorated with stone carvings. It is surrounded with gardens and enclosures for keeping birds." Why do you think the king had a special servant to taste the food he ate?